I don't know how you do that, Shelly. Are you stuck? Shh. It's after midnight. I mean, couldn't you just go in? No. Shh, 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 shh. What did she do, George? Is she a bad girl? Let me save you. Let me save you. Come here. Oh my goodness. All better. You're all better, Shelly. He's a good girl. She's a good girl. What kind of a face is that? What you doing? Are you okay? Shh, 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 shh. And she's off. She wants treats. Okay.